mommy, Nick. Yay!
I'll send it to you.
Can you sing another song?
He's gonna be a rock star.
Sing a song.
You don't want to be too hard on them. If you're too hard, they'll break.
You can sing?
It's an old guitar. You don't want to
Look, he's
there
slowing
you
it
go.
down.
There you go. That's perfect.
Mom! He starts smashing.
Don't give him ideas.